momol. Isang magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Ramon Corteza, ang inyong Secretary for External Affairs, tumatakbo sa ilalim ng partidong Change. At bibigyan ko ng bagong kahulugan ang salitang momol. Momol. M. Mabilis. Mabilis na serbisyo sa tao na apektuhan ng kalamidad. Dahil i-upgrade natin ang Charity Crusade. Ngayon, alay ng parmasya na siya kung saan ipapak na agad natin ang kinokollect na donations every month. At bilang Alpha Chapter ng FJCP-PHA, ipupush rin natin na ang ibang chapters ay magkaroon ng donation drives tulad nito. Oh! Over sa saya dahil ang Farm Olympics ay dadagdagan natin ng mas maraming Philippine Games. Itutuloy rin natin ang pagbenta ng Farm Olympics merchandise kung saan ang kita dito ay gagamitin sa pagbili ng bagong sports equipment tulad ng basketball, volleyball net at board games na maaaring gamitin ng lahat ng CP students. Hindi lang over sa saya, over rin sa representation, lalo na sa darating na bagong season ng Bakbakan at JPED Sports Fest. M. Malawak na mga koneksyon. Dahil bilang external linkage, i-advertise na natin sa student body ang mga relevant projects tulad ng LTS at job fairs ng iba't ibang student councils at organizations sa labas ng UP Manila. At i-advertise din natin ang mga ino-offer na libreng online classes ng universities sa abroad tulad ng Harvard, MIT at Stanford. At bilang magiging head ng PMR committee, hindi lamang posters, video teasers na rin at interactive flash ads ang gagamitin natin pang-advertise ng CP events. L. Dahil lumilevel up na ang mga mandurukot sa Pedril at TAF, kailangan na rin natin lumevel up. Kaya in partnership with the Philippine Sports Commission, iimbita tayo ng mga renowned Philippine athletes na tuturo ng series of workshops and talks on self-defense and tips on safety. At ano nga pa yung mga pwede natin matutunan dito? Matututunan natin kung paano nga ba mapapansin kung si Kuya ba sa TAF ay may tinatagong baril. Matututunan natin kung tips sa mga safety, kung paano pa tayo uuwi, kung gabi na, kung sakali nagpa-practice tayo overnight sa mga org and batch presentations dito sa event sa CP. Ikaw, Camille, alam mo na yung gagawin kung sakaling bigla kang hahatakin ng mandurukot. Muli, inihahandog po ang tunay na kahulugan ng salitang momol. Mabilis na serbisyo, over sa saya at representation, malawak na mga koneksyon, usang na darating na academic year at lumilevel up na bagong kaalaman. Ako po, si Ramon Corteza, ang inyong Secretary for External Affairs, tumatakbo sa ilalim ng partidong
For the past few years, I have been lucky enough to work with UPA student council candidates and officers who have made me realize that being a part of the council is not just about politics, but rather about selfless service to the student league. Ngayong taon, ako ay nagtitake ng proactive role. Gone are the days kung saan nakaupo lang ako dyan sa audience at nagtatanong sa mga candidates ng mga project, tungkol sa mga projects nila, yung feasibility and appropriateness. Gone are the days kung saan nagsusulat lang ako ng mga articles sa Farbacon sa pag-monitor ng UPA-SC progress. It is my time now to propose projects which will improve the life of students in the College of Pharmacy. UPCP, my time is now. I am Maria Crystal Morgan Kim Yap, your UPA Secretary for External Affairs. And in line with Sigaw's UP vision of a student-centered council with cutting-edge external linkages and maximum student representation, I present to you strategies to make UPCP fit. First strategy is to focus on FJCP-PHA, which is an external link with a lot of underutilized potential. As your representative to the FJ, together with our President, Jerson Tagibaw, we will advocate in the strengthening of FJ by rebuilding its core through a team-building activity which aims to build rapport amongst colleagues, but also, more importantly, to be a venue to assess the character and skills of prospective leaders of FJ para naman ang mga representatives natin ay magkaroon ng mas informed na votes para sa FJ election para makapili sila ng FJ leaders who are really competent and has the character and the passion and the willingness to serve. Pangalawa, dahil ang UPCP ay alpha chapter ng FJCP-PHA, tama lang na tayo ang mamuna sa pagsa-celebrate ng National Pharmacy Week. At sa Sigaw UP, gusto namin kasama tayong lahat, which is why we give you Kilas Pharma, a pharmacy fair which includes the Debacle Pharmacy Forum and Debate Talk, which will be in coordination with our college representative, Romeo Ramirez. It also includes recreational booths and it will end with a concert. Second strategy is I for intensifying the Publicity and Media Relations Committee of the Service League. As the head of the PMR committee, I will ensure that each member of the committee will be given the opportunity to use whatever talents and skills they have in marketing and advertising events and advocacies. With this, we give you #InstaTalk, which is a seminar on effective advertisement that will be done in cooperation with UP Adhere and Rappler. It focuses on public speaking, digital print media, and even social media. Rather than having workshops which focus on specific software such as Photoshop or other video editing software, this seminar will target the improvement of the output of the PMR committee based on impact, content, and the actual ability to increase audience turnouts in various events. Para naman may insta-impact, insta-audience, insta-success. The third strategy is to traverse toxicity of farm life by promoting holistic development through sports. Sa Sigaw UP, magaling ka man sa sports o hindi, gusto namin. Kasama tayong lahat. I give you Sparta! Sparta, the Sports and Recreation Training Assistance, is a free sports clinic and recreational training ground organized with the help of UP SAPS. This Sparta aims to increase the interest of students in sports-related activities. And finally, let us rebuild the connection between UPA, SE, and UP SAPS para magkaroon at para ma-empower ang ating mga players to play for the glory of UP College of Pharmacy. Again, let's focus on FJ, I for intensifying the PMR, and T for traversing toxicity through sports. Laging tandaan basta Secretary for External Affairs, laging active, laging fit, at kay Kimia, kasama tayong lahat. Together, let us build bridges for external linkages. Together, let us make fitness our advocacy. I am Maria Crisel Morgan Kimia, running under the banner kung saan